Hello, my name is Luis Hernandez. I'm an engineer here with Lone Star UAS. During our 2019 mission in downtown Corpus Christi, we received various questions regarding our radar system. Our radar system includes 4 radars fixed on a telescoping mast attached to a truck. The telescoping mast allows our radars to be lifted to an altitude that reduces line of sight obstructions. This setup allows Lone Star to be flexible in choosing the location for the radars. Once all radars have been configured, we are able to verify that radar tracks are being sent and that the radar is working as intended. The main benefit that a radar system provides is situational awareness. The radars essentially help us maintain a certain level of clearance from other manned and unmanned aircraft. When our radar system detects an aircraft in the sky, that aircraft detection can be seen and monitored in our Mission Control Center. This is just one piece of drone technology that enables our research center to fly safely in the national airspace system. As always, fly safe, fly smart, and have fun. Luis Hernandez signing out.